Welcome to Relevant Happenings. In this video, we'll look at latest relevant current affairs. We'll see about US Congress to award gold medal to Mahatma Gandhi and its significance. Then we'll see about India's first smoke tower to be installed in Delhi. We'll also see about India's decision to ratify Kigali Amendment to phase down HFCs along with other relevant happenings. So let's begin. US Congress is going to award Congressional Gold Medal to Mahatma Gandhi to recognize his ways and contributions through nonviolence and peace. Congressional Gold Medal is the highest civilian award in the US. The award is given by the United States Congress. This medal is highest expression of national appreciation for distinguished achievements and contributions by individuals or institutions. Practice to confer gold medals to honor individuals from the military began during the American Revolution. Later, the congressional practice was extended to individuals and institutions from all walks of life. The American Red Cross was the first organization that was given the medal in 1979. The medal has been given to Robert F. Kennedy, George Washington, Nelson Mandela, and the 1980 US Summer Olympics team, among many others. Moving ahead, India has decided to ratify Kigali Amendment to phase down hydrofluorocarbons productions. India, following the footsteps of the United States and China, has decided to ratify the Kigali Amendment to the 1989 ozone-saving Montreal Protocol that were negotiated 5 years ago. The Kigali Amendment to Montreal Protocol was made in 2016. The amendment has been named after Rwanda capital where it was negotiated. The amendment enables to phase out of the hydrofluorocarbons. The widespread use of chlorofluorocarbons have caused a hole in the ozone layer of the atmosphere, which further allowed some harmful radiations to enter the earth. They were also considered potential health hazards. The Montreal Protocol led to the replacement of CFCs with hydrofluorocarbons which do not destroy the ozone layer. However, HFCs were later found to be extremely potent in causing global warming. So basically, HFCs were solving one problem but were contributing to the other. Moving ahead, the Defense Research and Development Organization has developed an advanced chaff technology to safeguard Indian Air Force fighter jets against hostile radar threat. The technology has been developed by DRDO's Defense Laboratory in Rajasthan's Jodhpur in collaboration with High Energy Materials Research Laboratory, Pune. Chaff is a critical defense technology used to protect fighter aircraft from hostile radar threat. The Air Force has started the process of induction of this technology after completion of successful user trials. Very soon it will be used by the Air Force. Moving ahead, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will inaugurate the country's first smoke tower on August 23, 2021 at Baba Kharak Singh Marg, Connaught Place. The smoke tower will work with full force after the monsoon season. The scientists of the Delhi Pollution Control Committee will accordingly assess the performance of the tower and present a monthly report on its performance. The Delhi Cabinet had approved the pilot project in October last year. The smoke tower will be able to purify 1,000 cubic meters of air per second. The 2-year pilot study will be undertaken to ascertain the effectiveness of the smoke tower after it becomes operational. A control room has been set up at the site to monitor the operations of the smoke tower. Also, another 25-meter tall smoke tower built by the central government at Anand Vihar is expected to become operational by August 31. Moving ahead, BRICS nations that include Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa have signed an agreement for cooperation in remote sensing, satellite and data sharing. The agreement will promote cooperation and use of space data and applications for development and social objectives outlined in Sustainable Development Goals, thus providing benefit to citizens of BRICS nations. The agreement will introduce more cooperation between BRICS members and their space agencies, which will help in facing challenges faced by humankind such as climate change and major disasters. Now let's look at the thought of the day. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. So it's important to begin with first step and keep counting ahead till the goal is achieved. So these were the relevant current affairs of today. Hope you find the video informative. To watch more such useful content, kindly subscribe to the channel and follow our regular videos. Thank you.